A little more than a year ago, the world changed dramatically. Education moved online, with digital learning helping to ensure learning continued uninterrupted. We all know how online learning came into existence. Let us see 10 tips for child's well-being in today's age of online learning. Number first and the most important is set a daily schedule. Yes, help guide your child's learning by creating a daily schedule that embraces online learning and follow-up self-learning. Creating a daily schedule is most important as it guides the child on daily basis what they have to do and what not. Next is involve them in physical activities. Yes, your collection of old board games, art sheets, paintings and puzzles can play a key part in your child's learning process. So always share the things with them. Next is explore outdoors. Make the most of this opportunity to explore outdoor areas with your kids, such as parks or other play areas. This will how child will grow mentally also. Next is encourage social interactions. We can continue to stimulate our child's development by creating small contact groups with classmates or friends. This will how child will learn socializing as well, which is very important in today's age. Next is limit screen time. The main problem in today's age, it is a parent's responsibility to limit screen time to productive activity such as online schooling or connecting with friends and relatives. Yes, limiting the screen time is the main problem in today's age, which every parent is suffering from. The next is learn something new. Yes, children are naturally curious, so make the most of this by letting them to learn a new skill or a new language during their extended stay at home. This will how the child will get interest in new things as well. The next is pick a new book. Yes. Sign them up with a library or create a book exchange club with close friends and relatives to encourage them to read more and more. Yes. Always ensure that your child is being connected with library and they use the process of exchange books. This will help the child's mental growth as well. Next is prepare children for a return to school. Yes. The transition may not be easy one, given that online learning has its own perks of a shorter learning day, but it is essential. Yes, it is essential. Next is help them practice writing. Yes, writing is most important. So always make sure to set aside 20-30 minutes every day to help children write. Start with simple, cozy writing exercises. The next one is be emotionally supportive. The most important. Yes, a parent should be always supportive emotionally with the kid. Let children express themselves freely, including through positive mediums such as art, poetry, or by maintaining a daily diary. This will how children will grow emotionally too. So I hope friends you have liked the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.